Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving into a fantastic natural beauty remedy that's gaining a lot of attention lately: the coffee and eggs hair mask. All right, this mask is packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your hair. The first thing you need is a clean bowl like the one I have right here, and the second thing we need one egg. You can use one or two depending on the quantity you want. You crack the egg, then or mix the eggs until they are well beaten. Make sure you use fresh eggs for the best results. Eggs contain natural fats and protein that help to condition and strengthen your hair. Add coffee. You can use any coffee of your choice, like any brand, as long as it has caffeine with it, then it's good to go. The next thing we need is to mix the two ingredients together until you get a smooth consistency. Before we begin, let's talk about why these two ingredients are so beneficial for our hair. First up, coffee. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which helps to stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation, and promote hair growth. The caffeine in coffee also strengthens and adds a natural shine. Eggs, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are packed with proteins, biotin, and sulfur, all of which are essential for strong and healthy hair. The protein in eggs helps repair and rebuild damaged hair, while biotin promotes growth and thickness. So this is what your mask should look like. Now our mask is ready. It's time to apply to our hair. Before applying the mask, make sure your hair is damp. This helps the nutrients to penetrate better. So for that, I have a spray bottle and I have water. I'm going to be spraying some water to my hair to make it damp before applying the mask. After that is done, start applying the mask to your scalp and work your way down to the ends. Make sure every strand is covered.
Okay, sir, let's go.
Once the mask is applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic cover. This helps to trap the heat and allows the mask to work more effectively. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, but for me, I'm gonna leave it on until tomorrow morning. So I can say maybe I'll leave it on for 8 or 10 hours straight. And there you have it, a simple natural hair mask using coffee and eggs that can transform your hair. Use this mask once a week to see the best results. Your hair will thank you for the extra love and care. Okay guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more natural hair remedies. And let me know in the comment section if you've tried this hair mask and how it works for you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.